Hello students, today I am here with the chapter first of your book Moments, and the name of the chapter is The Lost Child. As you can see by the name that this is the story about a child who was lost, okay? And this story is by Mulk Raj Anand. So let's see what's that in the chapter. A child goes to a fair with his parents. He is happy and excited and wants the sweets and toys displayed there. But his parents don't buy them for him. Why then does he refuse when someone else offers them to him? So what happens? A child is there, okay, and he goes to a fair with his parents. He is very happy and he was attracted by the sweets and toys, ठीक है, displayed there. It happens with everyone. When we are child and when we go somewhere, we demand that I want this thing, I want that. Okay, it happens with everyone. But his parents don't buy them for him. They deny. Why? Then does he refuse when someone else offers them to him? Then why the child refused the same things which he was demanding for when someone else was, offering to him the same things? So we will find this answer in the story. So let's read the chapter. इट वॉज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ स्प्रिंग, ठीक है, तो स्प्रिंग का फेस्टिवल चल रहा था. विच सीजन इट वॉज द सीजन ऑफ स्प्रिंग. इट कम्स आफ्टर विंटर, ओके. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gaily clad humanity. So means from the narrow lanes, from the narrow streets, there were coming many people, okay, who were gaily clad. Humanity का मतलब है यहाँ पर gaily means होता है cheerful, clad means dressed up, okay, and humanity means many people, okay. So from the narrow lanes many people were coming who were cheerfully dressed up, okay. वो bright colors के कपड़े पहने हुए थे उन सब ने, ठीक है. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. Okay, so some people were walking, some were riding on the horses, others were sitting, ठीक है, they were being carried in bamboo and bullock carts, okay. One little boy ran between his father's legs, brimming over with life and laughter. So there was one little boy also who was coming with his parents. So he was running between his father's legs. He was full of life and laughter, okay, means he was very happy. You can see the image of a fair, okay. आगे देखते हैं. Come, child, come, called his parents as he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops that lined the way. So in the fair, as you know that there are many shops of the toys also, na? So the child was impressed by those toys and he lagged behind. वो पीछे रह गया. Then his parents called him, come child, come. He hurried towards his parents. जल्दी जल्दी में दौड़ता है अपने parents की तरफ. His feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. Though his feet moved towards to his parents, but his eyes were still there on the toys who were moving back. Means he was moving forward and the toys were going back. तो ठीक है, वो उन्हीं पर थी उसकी आंखें अब तक. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for him, he could not suppress the desire of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. So he came to his parents where they stopped and they were waiting for him, but he could not, suppress the desire. Suppress का मतलब होता है किसी अपनी desire को दबाना, ठीक है. He could not suppress, वो नहीं दबा सका अपने desire को, ठीक है. Even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes, even he knew that what will he get. He knew that he will get a no, okay, his father will not allow, but even then he could not suppress the desire, ठीक है. I want that toy, he pleaded. Pleaded का मतलब होता है request करना. He requested that I want that toy. His father looked at him red-eyed. Means his father looked at him angrily, ठीक है, in his familiar tyrant's way. So it was his familiar way. Tyrants का मतलब होता है the person who impose his orders to other, ठीक है, जो दूसरों पे impose करता है अपने order को. So उनका familiar way था, वो उसी way में उन्होंने उसको child को red-eyed देखा, means angrily देखा. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender. टेंडर का मतलब होता है सॉफ्ट, मॉडेस्ट, ठीक है. हिज मदर वॉज सॉफ्ट एंड शी सेड Firstly, she gave him her finger that hold it. And then she said, look child, what is before you? देखो देखो क्या है तुम्हारे सामने. You know, it happens ना जब हम किसी चीज़ की डिमांड करते हैं and when our parents don't buy that thing for us. So what they do, they, you know, they make us busy with another things. Okay. So that his mother also did same. So what was there before that child? It was a flowering mustard field. ठीक है, सरसों का खेत था. Pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. So it was looking that it, you know, the mustard field is yellow in color. Okay, so pale means yellow. So it was looking like that. The gold is gold everywhere. Okay. A group of dragonflies were bustling about on the gaudy purple wings. So there was a group of dragonflies. Do you know what is dragonfly? Is a kind of insect who flies. ठीक है? So they were moving about there and on their gaudy purple wings. Gaudy का मतलब होता है colorful, purple wings. ठीक है, intercepting the flight of a lone black bee or butterfly in search of sweetness from the flower. So there was a black bee, or we can say butterfly. Okay, it was searching the sweetness from the flowers, but the dragonfly, a group of dragonfly, was intercepting the way of that lone black bee. Okay, उसका रास्ता काट रहे थे. The child followed them in the air with his gaze. Gaze का मतलब होता है देखना. So the child was looking at them in the air till one of them would still its wings and rest. वो कब तक देखता रहा? जब तक कि उनमें से कोई एक आके अपने बैठ जाएगा रेस्ट करने के लिए. एंड ही वुड ट्राई टू कैच इट, और वो उसको कैच करने के लिए ट्राई करता था. ठीक है, बट इट वुड गो फ्लटरिंग फ्लैपिंग अप इनटू द एयर. but it was not staying there. Okay, it was fluttering and flapping into the air only. When he had almost caught it in his hands, जब वो उसको पकड़ लेता था तब वो फ्लटर होकर फ्लैप होकर फिर से एयर में चले जाते थे. Then his mother gave a cautionary call. तब उसकी मदर ने उसको एक कॉशनरी कॉल दी. कॉशनरी कॉल का मतलब होता है उसको अटेंशन देने के लिए. ठीक है, कम चाइल्ड कम ऑन द फुटपाथ, यहाँ आओ, इधर फुटपाथ पर चलो. He ran towards his parents gaily means happily. ठीक है, and walked abreast of them. abreast of them का मतलब होता है उनके साथ चलता है. ठीक है, for a while, कुछ देर तक. being however soon left behind, but जल्दी ही वो पीछे छूट जाता है. ठीक है, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine. So now he was attracted by the little insects and worms. What were they doing? They were coming out from their houses to enjoy the sunshine. Okay? Come child, come. His parents called from the shade of a grove. Grove का मतलब होता है park. Okay? Where they had seated themselves on the edge of a well. तो अब वो बैठ जाते हैं. एक well means कुआं, उसके edge पर बैठ जाते हैं रेस्ट करने के लिए. वहाँ से उसको कॉल करते हैं. He ran towards them. तब वो उनकी तरफ जाता है. A shower of young flowers fell upon the child as he entered the grove. You know, when he entered the grove, he entered the park, what happened? A shower of young flowers, you know, a shower of bright flowers fell upon the child. उसके ऊपर गिर जाते हैं बहुत सारे flowers. ठीक है, it was like a shower. That's why here the writer used the word shower. He began to gather the raining petals in his hands. So what the child did, he was trying to gather the raining petals in his hands. Petals means पंखुड़ियाँ फूल की. ठीक है, but look, he heard the cooing of doves. Doves, you know, bird होता है एक, तो वो आवाज़ कर रहा था. उसकी आवाज़ को हम साउंड को कू करना बोलते हैं. ठीक है, So he heard the cooing of doves and ran towards his parents shouting. तो फिर वो उसकी आवाज़ सुनता है doves की और अपने parents की तरफ जाता है shouting. क्या चिल्लाते हुए? The dove, the dove. The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. And when he paid his attention to the dove, the raining petals had dropped from his hands. Okay? Come, child, come, they called to the child, who had now gone running in the wild capers round the banyan tree. So, again, the parents called him up. Okay. So what was the child doing? He was running in wild capers. Wild capers का मतलब होता है he was doing funny activities. He was dancing around the banyan tree. Okay. And gathering him up, they took the narrow winding footpath which led to the fair through the mustard fields. So they took the child up and they follow the narrow and winding footpath to the fair. ठीक है, through the mustard field. तो mustard fields में से होते हुए वो narrow और winding footpath लेते हैं. Winding का मतलब होता है घुमावदार, curved. Okay? तो अब वो कहाँ जाते हैं? फेयर में आ जाते हैं. आगे देखते हैं. As they neared the village, the child could see many other footpaths full of throngs converging to the whirlpool of the fair. So when they were near the village, the child saw many footpaths, and all the footpaths were full of crowd. There were many people. Okay, and all the people were joining the fair. Converging का मतलब होता है joining. ठीक है, they were joining the fair. And felt at once repelled and fascinated by the confusion of the world he was entering. And at once the child felt very impressed and confused also that what kind of the world is in which I am entering. He was totally confused. तो आगे देखते हैं अब क्या होता है फेयर में. A sweet meat seller hawked. एक sweet meat seller हो जाता है मीन्स जिसको हम कहते हैं मिठाई वाला. ठीक है, वो चिल्लाता है वहाँ पर, आवाज़ लगाता है. गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ला, बर्फ़ी, जलेबी होता है ना फेयर में ऐसा. सब अपना स्टॉल लगा के खड़े होते हैं और वो चिल्लाते रहते हैं ये ले लो वो ले लो. ठीक है. एट द कॉर्नर ऑफ द एंट्रेंस, वो एंट्रेंस पे ही था मीन्स जहाँ पे एंट्री गेट होता है वहीं पर था, उसी कॉर्नर पर. एंड अ क्राउड प्रेस्ड राउंड हिज काउंटर एट द फुट ऑफ एन आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ मैनी कलर्ड स्वीट्स decorated with leaves of silver and gold. So his counter was full of crowd, means many people were there. ठीक है, and they all were impressed by the colorful sweets. They were decorated with the leaves of silver and gold color. Okay, the child stared open-eyed and his mouth watered for the burfi that was his favorite sweet. So the child was looking at them with open eyes and his mouth watered. उसके मुंह में पानी आ गया. And I know very well that now your mouth is also watering na. So he actually the barfi was his favorite sweet. So that's why his mouth watered. I want that barfi. He slowly murmured. Murmured का मतलब होता है धीरे से कहना कुछ. ठीक है. I want that barfi. But he half knew as he begged that his plea would not be heeded because his parents would say he was greedy. But उसको पता था, he knew that my request would not be paid attention, means मेरे जो request है उस पर कोई attention ही नहीं दिया जाएगा. And his parents would say that you are a greedy boy. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. तो he didn't ask for the sweet and he moved on. वो आगे चलता है. आगे क्या देखता है? A flower seller hawked. अब मिलता है उसको flower seller. ठीक है. A garland of gulmohar. A garland of gulmohar. Gulmohar is a kind of a flower. Okay. Garland means होता है फूलों का हार, फूलों की माला. Okay. The child seemed irresistibly drawn. Now he was completely attracted. Means greatly attracted. ठीक है. He went towards the basket where the flowers lay heaped and half murmured, I want that garland. अब क्या होता है? Now he moved towards the basket and which the flowers were there. ठीक है? And he murmured. फिर से धीरे से बोलता है, I want that garland. But he well knew his parents would refuse to buy him those flowers because they would say that they were cheap. This time also he knew that my parents will not allow me for buying this. My parents will say that these flowers are very cheap. Don't buy them. So without waiting for an answer, he moved on. So this time also he didn't ask for the flowers. He didn't ask for the garland and he moved on. फिर से आगे चल देता है. अब देखो आगे क्या होता है. A man stood holding a pole. एक pole लिए हुए खड़ा था एक man with yellow, red, green and purple balloons flying from it. ठीक है. So now उसको मिल जाता है वहाँ पर एक गुब्बारे वाला. The child was simply carried away by the rainbow glory of their silken colors, and he was filled with an overwhelming desire to possess them all. So this time, it happens. Balloon से तो सब attract हो जाते हैं. So it happened with the child also. ठीक है. So he was very, he was attracted by the rainbow क्यों बोला है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे कलर्स के फ्लावर्स थे वहाँ पर. So he was attracted by the rainbow glory of the balloons, and he was full of desire to take them all. But he well knew his parents would never buy him the balloons, because they would say he was too old to play with such toys. This time also he knew that my parents will not buy these balloons for me, and they would say that you are not a child to play with them, you are too old to play with such toys, तुम तो बड़े हो गए हो, ऐसे खिलौनों के साथ मत खेलो. So he walked on further. अब वो आगे चल देता है फिर से. A snake charmer stood playing a flute to a snake which coiled itself in a basket, its head raised in a graceful bend like the neck of a swan, while the music stole into its invisible ear like the gentle rippling of an invisible waterfall. So आगे जब चलता है तो क्या देखता है? There was a snake, which coiled in a basket. जैसे बैठता है स्नेक ऐसे गोल गोल करके, तो उसको कॉयल कहते हैं. ठीक है, लाइक अ कॉयल. तो snake was there in a basket, and a snake charmer was playing a flute to that snake, and the snake raised its head in a very graceful manner like the neck of a swan. When he listened the music, that time he raised his neck. ठीक है. The child went towards the snake charmer. अब ये देखकर child से नहीं रहा गया, so he went towards the snake charmer. But knowing his parents had forbidden him to hear such coarse music as the snake charmer played, he proceeded further. So he remembered that his parents had forbidden him to listen to hear such rough music that which the snake charmer was playing. So he proceeded further. अब वो आगे चल दिया. There was a roundabout in full swing. So आगे एक झूला था बहुत बड़ा सा, roundabout कहते हैं, जैसे फेयर में होता है. Men, women and children, carried away in a whirling motion, shrieked and cried with dizzy laughter. So there were men, women and children. ठीक है, they were moving in whirling motion, means circular motion में. Shrieked and cried, they were shouting and they were crying with dizzy laughter, means they were laughing and shouting and crying all together. Okay, the child watched them intently, and then he made a bold request. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. So the child watched them. He was curious, very curious that time. So he made a bold request this time. I want to go on the roundabout. Please, father, mother. Okay, he asked to his parents. आगे देखते हैं. There was no reply, but this time there was no reply. There was no, कोई भी no का आंसर नहीं आया. He turned to look at his parents. देखा उसने वापस मुड़ के. They were not there ahead of him, but उसके सामने थे ही नहीं वो लोग. He turned to look on either side. हर तरफ देखा. They were not there. He looked behind. There was no sign of them. Okay, they were not there. A full deep cry rose within his dry throat, and with a sudden jerk of his body, he ran from where he stood, crying in real fear, "Mother, father." So he started to cry with his dry throat because he felt a shock in his body, and he ran from where he stood, जहाँ वो खड़ा था वहाँ से दौड़ लिया, crying in real fear. He was crying in fear, "Mother, father." Okay, then what happened? Tears rolled down from his eyes. Hot and fierce, his flushed face was convulsed with fear. Now, आंसू आ गए उसकी आंखों में. ठीक है. Tears rolled down from his eyes. Hot and fierce, his flushed face was convulsed with fear. So now his flushed face means the face which was bright earlier, now it was hot and fierce, and it was convulsed with fear. Now there was fear on the face. Panic-stricken, He ran to one side first, then to other. Means he was panicked. बहुत डर लग रहा था उसको, ठीक है. He was full of panic. He ran to one side first, then to the other, hither and thither. Hither and thither का मतलब होता है here and there, okay, in all directions. Knowing not where to go. He didn't know that where to go. Mother, father, he wailed. He was weeping. He was crying. His yellow turban came untied and his clothes became muddy. So what happened that जो उसने turban पहनी हुई थी अपने सर पर, yellow turban, it came untied. ये खुल गई and his clothes became muddy and dirty and filthy. Okay. Having run to and fro in a rage of running for a while, he stood defeated. His cries suppressed into sobs. So after running here and there for a long time, to and fro का मतलब होता है here and there. Okay. So after a long time, he felt defeated because he didn't find his parents. Okay, and his cries, अब तक तो वो रो रहा था, बट नाउ ही वाज सॉबिंग. मतलब क्या होता है ना कि बहुत ज़्यादा रोने के बाद हम सॉब करने लग जाते हैं, सिसकियाँ लेने लग जाते हैं. सो ही वाज डूइंग द सेम. ओके. At little distances on the green grass, he could see through his filmy eyes men and women talking. So from there he was standing, was looking on the green grass where men and women were talking. Okay. He tried to look intently among the patches of bright yellow clothes. So they all were wearing yellow clothes. Means many of them were wearing yellow clothes, and he was trying to find his parents among them. But there was no sign of his father and mother among these people. So there was no sign of his parents, who seemed to laugh and talk just for the sake of laughing and talking. So these people only were just laughing and talking only. Okay, आगे देखते हैं. He ran quickly again. ठीक है, फिर से दौड़ता है जब उसको वहाँ पर नहीं मिलता है. दिस टाइम टू अ श्राइन टू विच पीपल सीम्ड टू बी क्राउडिंग. सो दिस टाइम ही वेंट टू अ श्राइन. श्राइन मीन्स होता है टेम्पल. ओके. सो नियर द श्राइन many people were there, means there was crowd. Okay. Every little inch of space here was congested with men, but he ran through people's legs, his little sob lingering, mother, father. Okay. So what happened? There was no even an inch left without a person. Means there was very congested. बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, ठीक है. But he ran. But even then he ran through people's life. लेकिन फिर भी वो लोगों के बीच में से दौड़ रहा था. His little sob lingering, and till now he was sobbing that mother, father. Okay. Near the entrance to the temple, however, the crowd became very thick. Men jostled each other, heavy man with flashing murderous eyes and hefty shoulders. So जहाँ पर एंट्री गेट था टेम्पल का, वहाँ पर क्राउड बहुत ज़्यादा थी, ठीक है. Men jostled each other, means the men were pushing each other. They were heavy and their eyes were flashing, means their eyes were bright and murderous, and their shoulders were big. Okay. The poor child struggled to thrust away between their feet, but knocked to and fro by their brutal movements, he might have been trampled underfoot had he not shrieked at the highest pitch of his voice, father, mother. So, in that crowd, the child was, searching a way to go inside, ठीक है, between the people's leg, ठीक है. एंड देयर वाज अ सीन कि वो उनके नीचे ट्रैम्पल भी किया जा सकता था, उन लोगों के नीचे इतनी भीड़ थी वहाँ पर. ओके. वो हो जाता, ट्रैम्पल उसको कर दिया जाता अगर वो नहीं चिल्लाता तो, बिकॉज ही श्रेक्ड, ही shouted at the highest tone of his voice that father, mother. ठीक है. A man in the surging crowd heard his cry and, stooping with great difficulty, lifted him up in his arms. So there a man heard his voice, heard his cry, okay, and he bent down with great difficulty because there was crowd, and the man lifted him up in his arms. How did you get here, child? Are why how you came here? Whose baby are you? Means who are your parents? The man asked as he steered clear of the mess. Means the man, now he was asking to the boy. to the child. The child wept more bitterly than ever now and only cried, I want my mother, I want my father. Now the child was weeping more bitterly and he was only saying that I want my mother and I want my father. The man tried to soothe him. Soothe का मतलब होता है calm down, ठीक है, calm करना है किसी को, means relax feel कराना. The man tried to soothe him by taking him to the roundabout. अब वो man उसको roundabout लेकर जाता है. You know, the roundabout was the thing for that he was, asking to his parents. Will you have a ride on the horse? He gently asked as he approached the ring. The child's throat tore into 1,000 shrill sobs and he only shouted, I want my mother, I want my father. Now the child didn't pay attention to the roundabout. He only shouted, he only sobbed that I want my father, I want my mother. आगे देखते हैं. The man headed towards the place where the snake charmer still played on the flute to the swaying cobra. Now the man took the child to the snake charmer. Listen to that nice music, child. He pleaded. The man requested him that listen that music. But the child shut his ears with his fingers. But the child, what did he do? He shut his ears with his fingers and shouted his double-pitched strain. Again, the same thing. I want my mother, I want my father. The man took him near the balloons, thinking the bright colors of the balloons would distract the child's attention and quieten him. The man thought that I would take him to the, balloons and maybe that the rainbow colors of the balloons will distract the child's mind and child's attention. Would you like a rainbow colored balloon? He persuasively asked. He solidly asked that chahiye tumhe ek rainbow colored balloon? The child turned his eyes from the flying balloons and just sobbed. I want my mother, I want my father. So again, same thing happened. He turned his eyes from the balloons because this time now he didn't want them. Nahi chahiye tha usko ye sab. Only he wanted his mother and father. The man, still trying to make the child happy, bore him to the gate. Now he took him to the gate where the flower seller said, Look, can you smell those nice flowers, child? Would you like a garland to put round your neck? एक garland चाहिए तुम्हें? देखते हैं क्या बोलता है child. The child turned his nose away from the basket. No, I don't want to smell them. मुझे नहीं smell करना उनको. And reiterated his sob. Reiterated का मतलब होता है repeat करना. ठीक है? वो अपनी सिसकियों को फिर से repeat करता है, फिर से रोना शुरू कर देता है. I want my mother, I want my father. Thinking to humor his disconsolate charge by a gift of sweets. Then the men thought that maybe this child be quietened with the help of, sweets, by giving the sweets. The man took him to the counter of the sweet shop. What sweets would you like, child? He asked. The child turned his face from the sweet shop and only sobbed, I want my mother, I want my father. Now, students, can you see? These were the same things which he was demanding. But now, he was not, curious about them. He was not interested in them. Because the only one thing he was looking for, his parents. So I hope you understood the chapter very well. Thank you so much and have a nice day.